When replacing your roof, asphalt shingles aren't your only choice. What about something stronger, something ironclad, something metallic?
You shouldn't have to re-roof a metal roof. It's a lifetime roof. It should be the last roof you have to install. Your standard standing seam metal roof is not going to rust, at least the ones that are kind of finished, pre-finished, and it's not going to rust because it's baked on both sides of the panel. It's not just on one side, so you don't have raw metal on the underside as well. But also in the coatings, it has UV inhibitors in it to prevent the sun breaking down of the color, not the metal, but the color. Most of your metal is going to come in a variety of colors. There's several available from all over the rainbow. Besides the colors, the differences are striations. The more bends you put in metal, the more strength that it's given. You have two basic ways of fastening the metal roof down. You have panels that come with a nail flange and it has pre-punched holes for the nails. You nail through there and then the next panel will cover those nails. The other way is it comes with a clip system, which is just a simple clip that hooks over the panel and then you nail the clip down. This metal is going to get hot and it's going to want to move. We'll use the clip system and it allows that panel to slide ever so slightly, but it allows it to slide and that way it doesn't break the panel. Most of your manufacturers of metal roofs carry a 50-year warranty. Shingles, it's because of the high heat, humidity, upwards of 25 years is rare cases. On metal roof, again, it's a lifetime. It is a little bit expensive, but especially we see a lot of people on custom homes or you're building your retirement house. They know they're going to be there a while and they don't want to have to go through the expense of re-roofing a house once, twice, sometimes even 3 times. By the time you do that over the lifespan of that house, a metal roof would have been cheaper.
Shield your home with the everlasting strength of metal and steal away your fear of a weaker roof. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.